For long journey trips, generally we prefer the transport as train transport, as this is comfortable and most economical. We know that the distance from one station to another station is a rational number. Representation of integers on number line. The number line of integers consists of negative numbers, 0, and positive numbers. Positive numbers which are on the right side of 0 and negative numbers which are on the left side of 0. The value of the integer increases when we move towards right from 0 and decreases when we move towards left from 0. Like integers, we can also represent rational numbers on number line. And let us now represent 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2 on the number line. Now set off unit distance points p and p dash respectively. Then p represents the integer 1 and p dash represents minus 1. Now divide OP into two equal parts and let A be the midpoint of OP. Point A represents the rational number 1 by 2. Similarly, the point A dash represents the rational number minus 1 by 2. Now, let us represent 4 by 5 and minus 4 by 5 on the number line. Now, divide OP into 5 equal parts because the denominator is 5. OA be the segment showing 4 parts out of 5 parts. Then the point A represents the rational number 4 by 5. Similarly, the point A dash represents the rational number minus 4 by 5. Representation of an improper fraction on number line. For example, 14 by 3. Convert 14 by 3 into mixed fraction as 4 and 2 by 3. From O, set off unit distance points P, Q, R, S and T respectively. As 4 and 2 by 3 lies between S and T, divide ST into 3 equal parts and then take 2 parts out of these 3 parts and mark it as A. Then A represents the rational number 14 by 3. Similarly, A dash represents the rational number minus 14 by 3. Similarly, we can plot any rational number on number line. Summary.